In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AliExpress reviews to Shopify with Loox. First, let's get Loox installed on your Shopify store. Start by opening your Shopify admin. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the drop-down options, choose Apps. In the search field, type Loox and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Loox app listing in the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click Install. Shopify will guide you through the installation prompts and any permissions Loox needs. Follow the onboarding process carefully until you land inside the Loox dashboard. Once you're in the Loox dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel there. Click on the Reviews section. This is where you'll manage and import reviews into your Shopify store. Next, click the Import Reviews button. Loox will show you different import options. Choose AliExpress from the list. You'll now see instructions explaining how to set up a special bookmark button called Import to Loox. Drag this Import to Loox button up into your browser's bookmarks bar. This bookmarklet is what will let you pull reviews directly from AliExpress. When that's done, click the Go to AliExpress button to open AliExpress in a new tab. On AliExpress, search for and open the specific product whose reviews you want to bring into your Shopify store. Make sure you're on the product page itself, where you can normally scroll down to see customer reviews. With that product page open, go to your bookmarks bar and click the Import to Loox button you added earlier. This will open a Loox pop-up window on top of the AliExpress page. In this pop-up, you'll configure exactly how you want the reviews imported. First, choose which product in your Shopify store these reviews should be attached to. Then select how many reviews you want Loox to scan, usually 20 or 100. Choose the rating filter. You can import all ratings, only 5-star reviews, or 4 stars and up, depending on your strategy. You can also specify which countries you want reviews from and decide if you want the reviews to be automatically translated into another language. Finally, you'll see additional options, whether to fetch the most recent reviews, only import reviews that include photos, and whether to import variant information. Check or uncheck these based on your needs. When you're happy with your settings, click Preview and Import. Loox will show you a preview of the reviews it's about to bring in. If everything looks good, click Finish Importing. The reviews will now be added to your chosen product in Shopify through Loox.